Press the wash buttons to enter the wash cycle. Remove the feed tubes from the hoppers. With the machine in wash cycle, pour cold water into the hopper. Caution, do not pour hot water into the machine as this could damage the freezing cylinder. Drain all of the water out of the freezing cylinder. Repeat this process until the water that is being dispensed starts to come back close to clear. Press the wash button to put the machine back into ready mode. Flip the main power switch to power off the machine. Unplug the machine from its main power source. Remove the thumb screws by turning them counterclockwise. Remove the dispenser door. Carefully pull out the augers. With the augers removed, now's your chance to clean inside the freezing cylinders and inside the hoppers. Remove the star caps from the bottom of the dispenser door. Remove the pin for handle, and each handle will come off separately. Press the pistons down and out of the dispenser door. Remove the O-rings for the dispenser door. All of these parts can now be washed by hand. When you are ready to reassemble your machine, start by lubricating the rear seal with food-grade lubricant and placing back onto the auger with the flare side of the seal facing out. Insert the auger into the machine and twist until you feel the auger lock into place. Next, place the O-rings for the dispenser door onto the grooves on the dispenser door and align the holes for the dispenser door with the bolts on the machine. Attach the door by using 4 thumb screws. Remember that the longer 2 thumb screws are for the top bolts and the shorter 2 are for the bottom bolts. Lubricate the O-rings for the piston and insert the pistons into the dispenser door from the bottom. Note, the piston with the H-seal goes into the middle slot of the dispenser door. Attach a star cap after inserting each piston into place. Next, align the piston so that the prongs on each handle can fit into the grooves on the piston. Insert pin for handle through each handle one at a time. With the machine now reassembled, power on the machine and press the left and right wash buttons to place the machine in wash mode. Use food-grade sanitizer water to fill both freezing cylinders and hoppers. Leave in wash mode for about 5 minutes unless the instructions on the sanitizer states different. Once complete, drain all sanitized water from the machine. Lastly, insert the feed tubes back into the hoppers and your machine is all set for the next batch of ice cream.